Artezanos Hybrid Recovery, the complete energy roof. A 30% tax credit on your re-roof, a smarter alternative to re-roofing. Why pay for a basic shingle recovery that only covers your home when you can have a roof that actually works for you? Artezanos Hybrid eliminates demolition, strengthens your home, and transforms your roof into an energy system. No tear-off needed. Existing shingles stay in place. No costly demolition. 2 layers of synthetic anchor sheets are nailed down for hurricane-ready protection. A stepped metal pan system runs up the roof line with half-inch PEX tubing sandwiched, laid horizontally to circulate domestic hot water, finished with overlapping clay tiles for strength, beauty, and performance. Customizable performance and appearance. Energy efficiency. Monthly savings. Solar thermal or PEX tubing captures heat for domestic hot water use, offsetting to 30% of your electric bill. Solar electric, or photovoltaic, generates electricity, further reducing dependency on the grid. The solar thermal tubing creates a thermal break, lowering attic heat and improving air conditioning performance, both solar thermal and solar electric. Qualify for the 30% federal energy tax credit under IRS Form 5695. This credit is available nationwide, not just in Florida.